Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel, Always Learning. In this video I am going to discuss two CAD model with you people. That is the first CAD model is a launcher and the second CAD model is an electric iron. Let's see the first one, that is launcher. I have designed this launcher in AutoCAD. As you see it's from front, it is its front view, it's from front it will look like this. And first of all let's see the real picture of the launcher which is present in our hostel lawn. That is, I am going to this picture. This is the real picture of this launcher which is present in our hostel lawn. As you see its design is in the front. Now see again it in AutoCAD. Friend, you see this is the design in its hand. The design in its hand hits, and now see it's from back view. It is its back view. From back it will look like this. Now see it's from bottom. From bottom it will look like this. You see how it's look from bottom. Now friends, see it's this design that I have done from in both sides, and I will also compare this design with the real picture. That is the real picture. You see this design in the real picture. Friends, first of all I have designed its back in 2D. That is, in 2D it will look like this. It is in front view. When I shift to front view, it will look like this. You see. Now friend, I am going to discuss another CAD model that is an electric iron, which I have modeled in AutoCAD. Let's see it from various point of view. This is its front view. From front it will look like this, and this is its top view. You see, and this is its right view. This is its handle. This is its handle which starts from here and ends at here. You know, friend, this is the button, and this is the on-off button, and this is the rotating button which is used to control the electric current. Let's see it's from back view. This is its back. From back it will look like this. You see, and as you see, let's see it's from bottom view. From bottom it will look like this. This is its base. Let's see this design. Here it will look like this. Friends, there is also minute design in its base. You see that the base is a little larger than its upper portion. You see. Okay friend, hope you will enjoy these videos and these learning videos, and hope you have gained very good ideas and concepts related to AutoCAD project. So friend, my mission is to start all the lectures of AutoCAD, that is the instructing lecture, in which I will be teaching AutoCAD from start to end, and I will be teach to you people all these 3D commands, all these 3D model and advanced model and rendered command, in which I have used to model these objects. So friend, hope you have enjoyed these videos. So subscribe our channel Always Learning, and as soon as possible I am going to upload videos, to upload instructing videos of AutoCADs. Hope you will be fine, and see you next time. Thank you.